Chip binning is a process used in the manufacturing of microprocessors and other semiconductor devices to categorize them based on their performance and quality. During the production of chips, not all of them meet the highest performance standards due to slight variations in the manufacturing process. These variations can affect the chip's speed, power consumption, and overall performance. After manufacturing, each chip is tested to determine its performance characteristics. Based on these tests, chips are sorted into different categories or bins. Higher performing chips are sold as premium models with higher clock speeds and more features. Lower performing chips, which may have minor defects or lower performance, are sold as more affordable models with reduced capabilities. Binning allows manufacturers to maximize the yield from each wafer, reducing waste and lowering production costs. It also ensures that consumers have a range of options to choose from, depending on their performance needs and budget.